No one. Right, bus stop to stop. Next bus. We're a little bit disappointed about the boat tour. I'll explain in a minute, but we're going to take the sea bus. One ticket to Mykonos town.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you so much. Is that alright? Enough?
Per il centro.
€2, alright?
Non so se tanto poco.
Vabbè, no, o tanto poco non possiamo fare niente.
No, infatti.
Vabbè, piedi.
You keep that, sorry. Fine, thank you. Where do I go? That way?
Down there.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Jump on the old sea bus, boy. Thank you.
So tell me why you want me when I ain't nothing like you usual. I don't prance around, I don't fuss and pout, and I don't play the more delusional. So tell me why you call me and say my name like it's a Freddy. I don't buy your wares, I don't swoon and swear by your worthy as of cobalt blue.
Nice little spot to have a little chill out. So, the boat tour thing, basically, they have to register with the gabbers. And me being a prick, being too pissed last night, didn't register with them, thought I could just turn up and pay cash. And you can't, and he wouldn't even risk it, not even for €200. So obviously it's quite a big deal here. So if you're going to go on a boat trip during coronavirus, make sure you register the day before, because you won't get on the boat. But right, I've got a sea bus over into Mykonos town, which was only €2. Don't really know what to do with myself now, because I was planning to go on the boat, but apparently not so far from here is the Mykonos windmills, which are a must see here apparently. So
here, left, right and left.
Left, right and left.
here we are at the Mykonos windmills. Pretty cool.
I like those other girls. Don't wanna be one of their kind. Don't wanna sigh when you walk by. I lose my breath over your smile, and all the while think you're the fool. Am
Whoa. To be honest, I'm not sure if you're allowed in here. It smells like a sauna. Shit. Fuck. Pretty darn cool though. Right, we're now at the Mykonos windmills. There's 16 windmills here. You can only see 7. And, you know, from every corner of the island you can see these. They're the first thing you see when you come off the pool. They used to, who gives a shit what they used them for back in the day, but they're a pretty picture. And yeah, cream malts up here. You've got all the Instagram birds up here and the Instagram fellas. They're all fucking bored. the what do you call it? One of these little streets. It's pretty amazing. As you can tell, I'm fucking knackered, if I'm honest. So I'm going to go back, jump by the beach for a bit. I think that'll do me until tonight. Alright, so we're in one of the little back streets and we're gonna try souvlaki. I'll show you when it comes. Oh, it's so nice, I got to film it. Yum. Okay, well that was absolutely gorgeous. I think for the next 2 weeks we're going to be eating souvlaki, or gyros, whatever you call it. That was $7.95, but apparently you can get them for $3.50 here. But in my opinion, it's better than pretending I like squid to take a picture of the sea like most of the monks here. Can I get a strawberry milkshake, my friend?
Strawberry milkshake.
Is that okay? It'll be alright. It's not the best if I'm honest, but strawberry milkshake. Little Legos. Huh? Proper good, man. Here's my best European friend. My only friend, actually.
How's it?
Yeah, my actual only friend, actually. And here is the beautiful Mykonos. We're gonna have a big party tonight, so it should be a fun video. Enjoy. Just found a little walkway down there. Come on, then. Lovely spot. We're not gonna ruin the lovely couple's day, but this is some place here, I've got to say. If you like a party with beautiful people, come to Mykonos. The colours are amazing. I actually cannot wait for the sunset tomorrow. Got to get a little clip of this, brother. It's beautiful. Guys, Little Venice at night. Wow. Fun.
So tell me why you love me when I treat you like a crying thing. Said I'm a fluttering heart and now I want you, babe. How I lose my breath and I pray your name. I know better than those girls.
It's the cutest dog I've ever seen. Casa di Giordelio? Yeah.
So tell me why. But I'm sure that
Little end of the night, Churos. Say goodbye. Part 2 ended. A real wedding, good night.
I want you, babe. How